While walking the Sound of Vancouver, BC, I noticed an ongoing stream of seaplanes flying ahead. Listen now as the engine roars against the calm ripple of the water.